Hey, good morning guys. Wes here from Outer Banks this week with your Monday Beach Report. I'm out here at East Bittern Street in Nags Head, and it is a cold, windy morning. It is about 40 degrees right now, 17-mile-an-hour winds. Not as bad as we were seeing yesterday. We had a pretty nasty storm roll through. We're at the tail end of it now. Wind should tamper off by the end of the day. We might see a little bit of wind tomorrow. Chilly temperatures throughout the week. We might get up into the 50s by the end of the week. We might see a little rain as well, but overall it should be pretty nice. There is still a lot of fun stuff still going on in the Outer Banks, guys. Take advantage of one of the few days out of the year we get free admission over at the Wright Monument. There's no charge to go see that national park today, so make sure you take advantage of that. We do have trivia at places like Bruin Station and Port Richard this week. If you guys need any more information on where to go, what to do, anywhere from Corolla down to Ocracoke, make sure you visit us at outerbanksthisweek.com and have yourself a great day.
OuterBanksThisWeek.com. Don't miss a thing.